welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hey, how you doing? My name is Ash. I am a makeup artist and a book lover. Today is a very, very messy look, and let's just get into it. So this is my take on like a more grungy, dark aesthetic Ariel look. You know, the Little Mermaid. Is it perfect? No. Is it exactly what I was going for? Also no. Do I know what I'm titling this? No, I do not. But I'm just going to get into this semi-tutorial. To be honest, I just sat down and just started playing with makeup, but you know, you can see the process. Alright, to start this look off, I am going in with my moisturizer, and I do apply just a tad bit too much, but I work it out. And then for foundation, I am going with my Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation. It has a long name. I really like it. It's a great foundation, and I just apply that all over my face just to give me a more pale look, because why not? I am contouring with the Milk contour stick. I believe my shade is Toasted, and I am just doing that in all the usual places and just really just chiseling out my face a bit. Is it perfect? No. This is gonna get messy. I am going with the Milk Makeup Concealer. I have the shade, I think, 1W. And I am just using that to further highlight my face and to clean up the contour. And I just quickly blend that in with my sponge also. And then I'm going to go into powder next. And my powder is going to be my Elli Beauty and Kosas powder. I'm just going to set my entire face, clean up the contour, bake a little bit, and just make sure that everything is nice and not tacky, because I have a lot that is going to go on top of this base. For brows, I am actually going to take a liquid lipstick from Anastasia. This is the shade Strawberry, and I am going to brush up my brows and then take a brow pencil and just start filling in my brows. How many times can I say brows? And I'm just not doing any different shape. I'm just filling in my brows as I would normally do and just making them super red to go with the wig that I'm going into. And I am taking the blends palette, and I am starting the absolute mess that my face is going to be. So I'm taking the like fishnetty material. This is actually a wig cap, and I am taking the blues and purples in the palette and just making like scale marks on my face. So I'm doing it on my cheekbones, just pouncing the colors on, struggling to do my head. I am realizing after I did this that I should have just pulled this all over my face. I screwed up my brows, but I will fix that. And I am just applying the colors, fixing my brow, and I add more of the shades onto the chin area. And I'm really just going in with a mix of like the blues, the purples. I think I do go into a little bit of the pink, but it's mainly blue and purple. And here is where I got the idea that I should have put this all over my face, because that would have been much easier. As I do my neck, you can see I pulled it over my face and stretched it out. And like, why did I not think that I could do that before? I do not know. But it was a struggle, and I did it on my nose, and I just made it super, super messy. And I do like the effect of it. It feels a little crazy, but it is what it is. I'm going in with my eye primer now. This is from Anastasia, and I'm just blending that all out. And I'm grabbing a tissue, and I'm going in with the blues and purples again, and I am stamping that on my face for a more like, I don't know what this type of style is, but it's cool. It's very easy, it's very fast to do. You don't have to blend anything. And I'm just going in with a couple different colors. I'm going in with the black, and I'm just making it very like messy and grungy. That was sort of the vibe I was going with. Gotta trust the process though. For the black, I am going in with this liner from Elli Beauty, and I am just making that very messy, very drippy, and just making it sort of like black tears. I don't know exactly what I was thinking when I was doing this, but I just wanted it messy, grungy, and like, I don't know, like a sad Ariel. Like maybe this Ariel got her heart broken by Eric, and like they never got back together. Like, think about that. That was the vibe I was going for. But I got this paint literally everywhere. It was such a mess. Oh my god, I got it everywhere. My shirt, my hands, everything. Then I go in with my liner. This is from the NYX and Beetlejuice collection, and I'm just doing a wing, and then I'm using that liner to further like define like the tear streaks that I have going on. And I just continue to add some of the black streaks in just to really define them and just make this as messy as I possibly can. For lips, I'm taking the Black Moon Cosmetics Sleepwalker shade, and I'm just applying that all over. And then I'm delving into the Noctilucent palette from Blend Bunny. I'm taking the blue shade in that palette. I put that on my lips, but then I also decided to highlight my face because I forgot to do that before I did the drips. Alright, and that is pretty much the look. All I have left to do is finish up the highlight, choose a lash, throw those on, and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright, and here is the finished makeup look. It is super messy, but you know what? I don't think I hate it. Is it my favorite look that I've done this month? No. Is this the route that I wanted to go for this look? No. But my eyes are watering really bad, so I thought, why not do black tears again? It works. So I did want to do a really dark Ariel look, but I lost my demon teeth. I don't know where I put them. It would have went perfect with this look, but it is what it is. I'm not overly happy with it, but I'm also kind of happy with it because it's just so grungy. I love that. And I used to have hair exactly this color, and it makes me want to go back to this. But let me know what you think about this look, and I'm going to zoom you out to wrap up this video. And I forgot to mention that I did put on some elf ears, just because I feel like if you're in the sea, like underwater, you might have pointed ears. Anyways, all of my makeup details will be listed down below if you're interested in any of the products that I use. But that's it for this video. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I am putting out a video every day this month for 31 days of Halloween. And if you want, you can follow me on my other socials. I'm artistryxashh everywhere. And if you want some book content, I am Ashley with 2 H's that reads on TikTok and Instagram. I think that covers everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Stay spooky, and I'll see you all tomorrow for a brand new video.